Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you how to press one of our glass ornaments.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So in this video, we are going to be pressing one of our glass ornaments. We do have these in other different shapes as well. We have the bell, we have the square, and then we have the hexagon. One important note on this is that you do not want to mirror your image because you are going to be pressing from the bottom. So we are going to go through it right now. We are going to be using our Sawgrass printers today and the Sawgrass print manager using standard sublimation paper. Okay, so we have our design. So you can also use mug size paper to use your image or put your image on as a smaller size, or you can gang up your images on one sheet. I am going to trim down today. And you don't have to do a detail trim because of course the only thing that will transfer over is going to be just your sublimation ink. Thank you, Meredith. Okay, so we have our ornament. You're going to place the frosted side face down. The glossy shiny side is going to be face up because you're going to press on the coating. Okay, and we're going to be using our thermal tape today. And along with our press, we're going to use foam pillow. Then you do your ornament. Again, your image is going to be face up. We are going to be using our silicone heating pad. This is to help distribute the heat evenly across the surface. Lay that on top, and then I like to lay a silicone on top of our pad because sometimes it does tend to stick to the top of the platen. And we are going to be pressing today at 385 degrees for 480 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, and we are going to put our thermal gloves on. We are ready to go here. Now you just have to remove all your layers. And this is going to be a hot peel. Take this one off. And now you have one personalized ornament here. And again, we do have different shapes. Templates and instructions can be found online at coastalbusiness.com. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we will see you next time.